All right, guys, you've got to use your smart campaigns. It's amazing software at your disposal when you're at eXp Realty. You've got to use it when you're trying to stay in touch with your customers. If you're not at eXp Realty, of course, you can book a call down below. I'd love to chat with you about that opportunity. But this is for kvCORE users and how to set up a smart text campaign to stay in touch with their customers. So first thing you do is you just hold your cursor over on marketing, and then you can go onto smart campaigns. If you click all marketing, don't worry, smart campaigns is right here. So either one of those two ways you could get to smart campaigns. And then right here, you simply add a campaign, click add campaign right here. And then this is where you sort of walk through it. So if you want my 2024 text campaigns, guys, I've got a link down in the description below. Just click on that link, put in your information, and then it'll take you to that Google Doc so you can get the text that I'm using this year to hit my customer base 6 times via text just to stay in touch. And they're value add text, guys. They're text that people are like, oh, that's good info. Thanks, Josh. And I'm getting a lot of thanks, Joshes, from the campaign that I'm running. So right here is when to start the campaign. And so I've just added this campaign to all of my new leads. I've added it in addition to the other campaigns that I'm using for all my new leads. So whenever the lead is new, that's when I want to put it in there. These are all different ways to choose when the campaign is going to start. So I'm just going to put unspecified. And then right here on this particular campaign, I'm not going to hashtag it. So pick specific date occurs, and then you pick the specific date. So right here, it gives you birthday, purchase anniversary, specific date. So you can send purchase anniversary text out, guys and gals. Whenever they purchase their house, they get a text on that date. Okay, so I'm just going to pick specific date, and then let's say March 1st. So on that date. And then, so that's going to be when it runs. And then I could tell it to run annually. Okay. And then do I want to start a trigger? I'm not going to check that. I do not want to start a trigger. Always run and locked and da. Okay. So that's how you fill out that part. Any questions on that part? Put them in the comments below. Then we go next. And then who is the campaign designed for? So these are all the different groups that you have in kvCORE. Whenever you choose the leads that come in, they'll typically default to buyer leads, but you need to go in there and adjust them if they're seller leads, renter leads, vendors, agents, etc., etc. So you can just select this one for all of them. If you want all of them to get this text, it'd be a good text for everybody to get. Click next. Campaign name, change out your AC filters and be weather aware. Okay, so campaign name, or that's for an example on this video, or you could just put everyone 2024 text campaign. See, you just choose what you want to name this text campaign, and then description. Keeping in touch with customers and adding value. All right. So pretty straightforward on that. And then next, so scope for Josh runs for agents on the date of March 1st, 2024, designed for all lead types. Everyone this is the campaign name. This is the campaign description. Always run, Click finish. Now you built the campaign. Now you got to go in there and add to the campaign now that you built it. So I'm going to put in 2024. And then here is the one that we just made, everyone 2024 text campaign. All right. There's no touches in it right now. See, this is the one that I actually have running right here. This is the one I'm building with you on this video. So click right here. And now you need to add action. And this is where you add the different actions, the 6 touches. Remember, down in the description below is a link that takes you to the text that I'm sending out that you can literally copy and make your own using the kvCORE platform. And if you don't have the kvCORE platform and you're ready to chat with me about how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success, of course, link to book an appointment to talk about eXp is down in the description box too. So let's add an action. So right here, we're going to add a text. So the name of this text would be March 1st. Okay. Send it from me, the agent, to the contact. All right. And then here is the content of the text. Don't forget to switch out your AC filters and be weather aware, not weather away. Weather aware. It's the beginning of March. And then I always put on everything I do, very respectfully, Josh. And then name March 1st. It's going to be from the agent to the contact, and it's going to start on a specific date, which would be March 1st. Okay. Now that's that one right here. Inside here, we'll just put March 1st. So that's the template's name. So save. So there is the March 1st template right there. So on March 1st, this will go out. Now let's say it's May. So let's add something for May. Just every other month, kvCORE is going to send a text on my behalf to the customers. So what do we want to tell them about May time? Send another text. Keep the outside pets water full with a rain catch system. This isn't the exact ones that I used on my text campaign. These are examples that I'm coming up so that you and I can see how the system works. So keep the outside pets water full with a rain catch system. In the summer, it gets hot. Other homeowners use rain catch systems to ensure their outside pets always have water. This is not the one that I use, but it's just something to use in the video. In the summer, it gets hot. Other homeowners use rain catch systems to ensure their outside pets always have water. Let me know if you'd like a link to a couple to see what I'm talking about. Very respectfully, Josh. Name, rain catch. 2024. From agent to contact, start on a specific date, May 1st. Okay. Save. See, now we have two of them built out. Two of them built out, guys. This is how simple it is to build these text message campaigns in kvCORE. So you build the system out just like that, and then you go up here and you activate the campaign once you have your 6 touches built out. If you want my exact text messages, down in the description below, is a link to get Josh's 2024 text campaign text messages. So all you got to do is switch out Josh and put your name on it and adjust it for your state, depending on where you're at, because you may not have to deal with tornadoes and stuff like that. But that's down the link below. Click on it, put your name and email in there, and then hit submit, and it'll take you straight to that Google Doc. Hope you found value in today's video. If you did, definitely give the video a thumbs up, share it with any of your friends who want to start using text campaigns to stay in touch with their customers. And then, of course, as always, guys, if you are part of the 30% of agents who are looking at taking your business to that next level, and you want to find out more about how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success, click on the link down in the description below. There's also a link to chat with me and go over how eXp Realty is obsessed with your success. Whether you're a broker owner, a team leader, a rainmaker, or a brand new agent, eXp Realty's got ways to scale your business to the levels that you're ready to scale it to. And this video popping up right there, YouTube, they think that that video might be the next one you want to watch. That one right there might be the next one you want to watch if you're not already working on the text campaigns that we just went over. So check that one out too. See you guys on the next one.